I'm going to be showing you how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. So just go ahead and open your WhatsApp first. So once you're in your WhatsApp, the feature delete for everyone only works within a limited time after you send a message. The current limit is 1 hour, 8 minutes and 16 seconds. So after that, you can only get delete for me, which removes it from your own phone but not from the other person's chat. So you would only see delete for me like this. There's no official way to delete messages for everyone after a long time. What you can do is ask the other person to delete the chat or specific message from their side. Or you can just delete the whole chat on your phone. Even though it won't erase it on their side, it would calm your mind. So in these ways, you can successfully delete WhatsApp messages for after a long time. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.